Hey guys, today we are in Audi Q3 and I'm going to show you how to set wipers into service position. This procedure is pretty much the same for all Audi cars. So what you need to do is turn the ignition on. After a few seconds, turn it back off and press the wiper stalk downwards one time. Your wipers will go into parked position. And right now you can easily access both of the wiper arms from one side. You don't have to lean over the hood, risking damaging the paint job, or go all around the car to access the passenger side. Also, you can bend the arms, and in this service position your arms are actually bending, because if the wipers are parked, the wiper arm would hit the hood edge right over here. And when you are done replacing your wiper blades, all you need to do is go back into the car, turn the ignition on and press the wiper stalk once again, and wipers are going back to parked position. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.